What's up, everybody? Trump should start speaking here any minute as well, so things should be kind of exciting. We'll see what the tariffs do. Big buys in the close on Tesla. Interesting. All right. Well, RH it should be reporting here at about 4:05, and we also have PENG. Penguin Solutions. We'll see what those do. Those are kind of a strong move in the close on that. But the biggest thing here is obviously going to be the tariffs if Trump is announces them anytime soon. So let me see when he's going to start. What's up, Haru? Let's see here. Trump live stream. Let's see some live updates in here. Not seen you around as much, man. RH just popped up there for a second. Look at that. Yeah, I do. You make things fun. Let's see. Okay, I got the speech up here live, so I'll get to see when he starts to speak. But RH and Ping, not the most exciting names in the world, but we'll see what happens. Tesla's pushing here by itself out the market. But yeah, if there's any other questions, guys, feel free to ask. It looks like the earnings are starting to come out here. Restoration Hardware. Hang not doing much. RH just kind of that one big candle there. David on X, what do you think the Tesla increase is due to earnings expected around 22nd? I think that so obviously they had bad delivery numbers this morning. I think they were down like, I don't know, like 36% year over year or something like that. 36% was something I saw, but also I saw 13%. So it's one of the two. Anyways, they came in under expectations by like 60,000 vehicles. So I was thinking it was going to sell off today. And we got obviously a big rip. But the reason for that rip is because it was talked about today that Elon will be leaving Doge at some point, which would then make investors think he'd spend more time on Tesla, which is a bigger reason why. I don't know if you remember back when Elon was buying Twitter, but Tesla would sell off when he was going to buy Twitter because you can look at that as he's going to take attention off of Tesla. So just interesting trades there. Y'all can't hear anything on Discord? Anyone double check that? You can. Huh, that's weird. All right. Well, let's see. JD Vance is starting to walk out. I think Trump is about to start talking here. We'll see. Let me check out these earnings again. I just typed it in the Discord chat. My bad. PENG still just kind of, ooh, let's make a new high here. Interesting. Restoration Hardware is still not doing a whole lot. We still, oh, these numbers should be at least on RH. PENG starting to fly here. No one's speaking yet. This is going to be interesting. I don't know when Trump's going to talk about it. I'm not going to, I'm not going to wait here for like an hour for him to mention the tariff stuff. But if he does, obviously, this is about tariffs, so the market could move a lot. So I hope you guys are aware of that today. It was mentioned a lot in our Discord. So just kind of a reason to be careful. Latvian, I see you on X. Yeah, it looks like some people had to back out and close Discord and come back in. I don't know why it was. Some people it was fine for. Others, I guess it was cutting out. That's weird. But yeah, PENG shooting up here. Just hit $20. RH popped a little bit. Nothing too crazy there. Let's just go across the board here. Nothing too exciting yet, except for PENG. Trump is now walking out. So something you could also watch is just like SPY or the Qs to see how the market's going to react to this. Yeah, I think Carrie is. I remember her saying something about their renovating their kitchen or something. I don't know. She's having help with that, so she's not trading this week. Here we go. Trump is taking the stage. Let's see. AI says Tesla is 12.64% shorted. Yeah, there's been a lot of short interest on Tesla for sure. But it's also made a pretty big move down, so I'm not surprised on that, David. But we'll see. All right, he's talking now. I could stream this if you guys want. Discord. Anyone else? Do you have a vote on that? I can stream the. Looks like Bert doesn't want to listen to that. He's probably going to start off with like a monologue here and then get into the tariff stuff. So it'll be very obvious when he talks about it if you're watching futures here. So we'll see. But yeah, PENG did really well. Restoration Hardware did not. People can't afford that stuff. Let's see here. I just got a notification. No numbers yet. David, I think that 12.5% short interest is okay. I mean, Tesla's not a stock that's going to have necessarily a short squeeze. But obviously, if there's some good news, maybe Trump talks about auto tariffs and that pops this up. I think if this breaks over 300, Um, you could get a little squeeze there just because people have been shorting this down. But I don't know. You're going to see more of a technical breakout, but it all kind of depends on everything's up in the air. Who knows what Trump's going to say? Who knows what Elon's going to do? It's hard for me to give you a perfect scenario because no one really knows what's going to happen. So let's see. Trump is still talking, so we'll see what happens here. I'll hang out for, I don't know, 15, 20 more minutes. I'm sure he's going to announce this at some point. Soon. Let's see. Trump announces U.S. reciprocal tariff plans, but still no percent. So something that y'all should all be paying attention to is the percentage that he's going to do here on the tariffs. It's it's expected to be about 20%. So just like CPI or anything like that, when there's expectations, we'll see. We'll see the percentages, right? So the expected number is 20%. If it comes in higher than 20%, I think the market's going to just free fall. If it comes in at 20%, I don't know. I could probably see kind of a mixed move, maybe a little bit of a downward move. Um, if we are lower than 20%, let's say 15 or 10%, I think the market's going to go on a tear. So just a completely different kind of outcome here, because any tariff in the last 2 months was deemed bad. But now that it's somewhat of a common theme, if the tariffs come in under expectation, we could see the market rip here. SPY is dropping off a little bit. Still don't see any numbers. But you guys on Discord or X, also YouTube, if you have other questions, feel free to ask. I'm just kind of waiting to see what this number is here. I got my notifications ready to go here on Twitter, so I'll know pretty quickly here. But you're also going to see the market move pretty violently. Right when that number is said, algos are going to be trading it. Yeah, David. So I mean, there's been 25%, 20%. It just we're now on the second day of the month, so that's typically where Trump will change the number. So maybe it's 25%, maybe it's 20%, 15%. We don't know, but market's ripping. There it is. It's got to be it. There it goes. Wow. That's good. I got some good upside side, especially on Tesla, guys. If we can get 290 tomorrow, it'd be awesome. It looks like we maybe gapped above that, but still could see a very bullish day tomorrow as long as this stays up here. To impose 10% tariffs across the board on all imports. That is huge, guys. 10%. So we're going to be ripping tomorrow, I think. That's actually pretty big news. That's big. Look at this. Market's going to go wild. Anyone long overnight? Man, Tesla's just touched 290. Dang it. But technical wise here, this is going to be solid, man. I mean, hopefully we're not all the way at like 300 in the morning, but we projected 290, 2 or 3 times recently. So a break above that could easily send us, straight through 300, and then I mean, this could really get on a roll here. This just proves tariffs are easing a little bit as of now. So big news there. Here, I'll send you a link. I'll send a link in here, Breckel, if you want to listen to it. He's already done talking. He has someone else up there. That's huge. Man, Tesla, please wait. This is probably going to be like 295, 300 in the morning, but we'll be day trading it, guys. I'll be day trading it for free as well. So it's going to be on all the platforms. So could be an exciting day. I'm glad we've been patient this week because I've been waiting for this. So could be a pretty A+ setup tomorrow. I wish I was long overnight. This is a great swing, but this could have gone either way. I mean, we could be dropping, we just popped like 6 points on SPY. We could be down 10, if Trump was a little bit more aggressive with this stuff. So this is big news. I hope y'all understand how important that is. 25% auto tariffs as well. That's going to help Tesla. Tesla's going to be 300 plus in the line. What's up, Trace? How you been, dude? No, so Trump just talked about new tariffs today. He just announced it's 10% across the board and then 25% tariffs on vehicles. So that is really good for Tesla and really good for the market. So extremely bullish case right now. Extremely bullish case. But ideally things hold up overnight. I think we're going to be gapped up a little bit in the morning. But for anyone listening who may not be live trading with me tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for upside momentum through 300 on Tesla. It could be a really, really great breakout. Ideally, we do, like I said, open up under 290, but I highly doubt that at this point. We've already hit 292 after I was here. This is awesome. All right. Well, hang out for another, I don't know, 10 more minutes, guys. If there's other questions that you may have for me, other tickers you'd like me to look at, more than happy to do so. But that was kind of the big event of the day. And so now that that's over, market can kind of digest it. But to me, the big trade tomorrow is going to be Tesla here to the upside if markets stay strong. Ideally, Trump doesn't say anything else that'll just tank the market. But we have a pretty A+ setup on our hands as of now. So I hope that I see all of you guys on the free live trading tomorrow because it could more than definitely pay for a couple months of premium here in the Discord. So it'll be worth your while, I can promise you. So yeah, if there's any other questions, guys, throw them my way. If not, we can wrap this up here shortly. Tesla's already back on 285. That's good. Ideally, this stays down. Ideally, this stays down because I want that 290 break into the high from a few days ago around 292. Anyone take any other interesting trades today? I thought we were going to slip up on Tesla after those delivery numbers, but yeah, Inmax, yeah, all it back down to 55. It hit low of 46. Jeez, I didn't see it go that low. That's a huge drop, 77% drop today. That was one hell of a short. It doesn't look like that big of a drop on my screen, but if you look at the prices, it's crazy. Yeah, I bet a lot of people got hurt. I bet a lot of people got hurt on that, especially if their shares are locked up. I talked yesterday about how low the volume I thought it was, and so that makes sense that people's shares are locked up because there's just not enough supply. There's not enough liquidity for it. Nvidia popped pretty good too. That hit 113 here after hours on that news. It's exciting. Well, I don't know. There's not many of us here on the Discord, so I think that again tomorrow, guys. I hope to see you all there. I think it's going to be pretty exciting. It's been worthwhile waiting for a scenario like this. So be ready to trade. Be focused in the morning. Be ready to go, because all the patience and discipline on waiting on days when nothing's really going on. It's worthwhile to make the days, the good days when they come around, count. So be smart. Hope you all are safe tonight. Get some good sleep and be ready to go tomorrow. I'm going to be up probably like 2 hours early just because I'll be excited for it. So I hope to see you all there, and I'm going to wrap it up here. Y'all have a good evening. Bye-bye.